Step-by-step guide to yoga. Improve your mind and body. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of yoga and provide a step-by-step guide to get you started. Yoga is a great way to improve both your mind and body, with exercises that help you develop strength, balance, flexibility, and relaxation. With clear instructions and easy-to-follow demonstrations, you'll soon be able to incorporate yoga into your daily routine, helping you to feel more energized and focused. 5 keywords that are essential: yoga, mind, body, strength, relaxation. Welcome to Step-by-Step Guide to Yoga. Improve your mind and body. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of yoga and guide you through yoga exercises that will help to strengthen your body, calm your mind, and improve your overall well-being. Whether you're new to yoga or an experienced practitioner, this video will provide you with all the necessary tools to master this powerful practice. Yoga has been practiced for thousands of years and has numerous benefits for both the mind and body. Yoga can help to reduce stress, alleviate anxiety, and promote a sense of inner calm. Additionally, yoga can help to build strength, increase flexibility, and improve balance. The first step in practicing yoga is to find a comfortable and quiet space where you can focus on your practice. This could be a yoga studio, your home, or even an outdoor space. Make sure you have a comfortable yoga mat and wear loose-fitting clothing that allows you to move freely. Sun salutations. One of the most common yoga sequences is known as sun salutations. This sequence helps to warm up the body and prepare it for more challenging yoga poses. Let's begin by standing at the top of your mat with your feet hip-width apart. Inhale and sweep your arms up overhead, reaching towards the sky. Exhale and fold forward, bringing your hands to your mat. Inhale and lift your head and chest, coming into a halfway lift. Exhale and step or jump back into plank pose. Inhale and shift forward, coming onto the toes, and exhale, lowering down into chaturanga. Inhale and lift into upward-facing dog and exhale, lifting into downward-facing dog. Tree pose. Another great yoga pose to add to your practice is tree pose. This pose helps to improve balance and focus, while also strengthening the legs and core. Begin by standing at the top of your mat, then shift your weight to your left foot and bring your right foot to rest on your left thigh. Rest your hands on your hips or bring them up overhead. Focus on a fixed point in front of you and hold for several breaths before switching sides. Congratulations, you've completed our step-by-step guide to yoga. Remember, yoga is a practice and it's important to be patient with yourself as you develop your skills. With regular practice, you'll soon begin to notice the many benefits of yoga, both for your mind and body. Thank you for watching, and we hope you feel inspired to incorporate yoga into your daily routine.